Welcome to Toddler Garage, the coolest YouTube channel on the tube. If you can, got a couple seconds, hit that subscribe button. Give me a comment, let me know what you want to hear next. We're going to be talking about fire extinguishers, home fire extinguishers today. What the importance of what they serve and the safety behind them. Okay, so here we are in a new house that we had just bought after we had sold our other one and moved into this one. We're renovating some things, and I'll be updating that to YouTube. But here, for home safety, fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers, fire extinguishers. Okay, this one is a little bit old, just a wee bit old. It's a multi-purpose. That's what you want for the home, is multi-purpose for oil, grease, gasoline, live electrical fires, plus wood, cloth, paper, rubber, and most plastic fires. But the one thing that you want to pay attention to is this little itty bitty dial. You can see it right there. And it says recharge. This fire extinguisher needs to be recharged. You don't want this in your home. No. No. Okay, now we have another one. You see this? That's very old and very heavy. This one does not say recharge. It says that it has juice left in it. Do you see? And as you can see, the date right here, you can't really see it really well, but I can. It says November 23rd of 1970. Lord, that needs to be changed. Folks, you need to pay attention to what's in your house, so if there is ever a fire, you can put out a fire. Do you understand that? Fire extinguishers are important to have in the house. Who knows if this thing works? Do you want to find out when you need it? No. Here's another one that I found in the house. It has the peel and push type of fire extinguisher. You're supposed to hold it like this and then spray. And it is a dry chemical fire extinguisher with pressure indicator. I don't see the pressure indicator anywhere. No pressure indicator. None. No pressure indicator. You don't want that in your house. Folks, spend the money to protect your investment. You want a fire extinguisher in your house. You spend $200,000 on a home, make sure it has good fire extinguishers in it. This date on this one is tested at 300 pounds in 1978 with no certified check or refurb date on it anywhere. Those are the things you want to look for. Usually if you have your fire extinguishers updated every year, you want them checked every year. You want them checked every year. The same thing with your fire alarms. You want to check your fire alarms every 3 months, every quarter. You want to change your batteries, or at least check to see if the batteries are still working. Home fire safety is what saves your home's life. Don't go without a fire extinguisher. Okay, so there's another statistic out there that 24% of home fires happen in the kitchen, or they happen from air conditioning unit, furnace unit, a shorted unit. Those all make up the other 86%. 24% of them all start in the kitchen. There is a kitchen fire every 87 seconds. And out of every one of those 87 seconds that's passing by every day, out of each one of those kitchen fires, there is a fire extinguisher nearly 5 times out of 10 that does not work. Even if you have a newer home, it does not matter. You want to make sure that these guys are up to date and they're ready to work. You can have them refitted. You can take them down and have them recharged. But with these ones, I just prefer to replace them because they're over centuries old. I wouldn't say centuries, but at least decades. You get the understanding. It's there. I have not seen a fire extinguisher that looks like this ever, let alone like this ever. Or even, for that matter, I haven't seen one that looks like this. Okay, but we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty here. A good all-purpose fire extinguisher that can do it all is what you want for your home. You want something that can put out grease, fires, electrical fires, fires that are pretending to be fires. So an all-purpose fire extinguisher is what you need for your home. So get to it. You want to have one in your kitchen. You want to have one in your basement, usually near your utility room or in your laundry room. You at least want one in your laundry room. Wherever you have heavy loads in your house, you're going to want a fire extinguisher. Like, for instance, in the kitchen, you have a refrigerator. You have a stove, that's hot. You have an oven, that's hot. You want a fire extinguisher nearby. In the laundry room, if you have an electric washer or electric dryer, you're gonna want a fire extinguisher in the laundry room. If you have a furnace in the basement, you're gonna want a fire extinguisher next to your furnace. Why? Because if your furnace decides to malfunction and burn down your house, at least it's really close by so that you can risk your life to save your home. Okay, let's be real. If your home is really burning that bad, please get the hell out. Don't be a hero. But anyways, I will put a link in the description of a good multi-purpose fire extinguisher that will do it all. Not like this. Not like this. So remember, update your fire extinguishers, have them checked once a year. Do it. Promise, when the time comes and you're gonna need it, it will work. And that's what you want. I'm gonna leave this episode of Toddler Garage with one last note. Remember that sometimes stupid actions have stupid reactions. So there's an equal and opposite reaction to a stupid idea. So remember, if you're cooking with grease and you have a kitchen fire, please use baking soda. No. Get a fire extinguisher, okay? Get a fire extinguisher. Make sure you have one in the kitchen, please. I want to hear the statistic go down instead of up. So let's keep our homes safe and get good fire extinguishers. And that'll be all with Toddler Garage today. Remember, tap that subscribe button and put a comment down below and tell me what you'd like to hear next, because I love to fill in the lines.